Hello stalkers, welcome back. Both the markets are under selling pressure, both markets are volatile. We can see for the last 3 days DFM index is trying to climb up but it's not able to sustain. Later during the day we are seeing selling pressure and it's closing negative. Today's candle is green, but this is also looking very negative to me. The reason is, check this out, today during the day it tried to break out 4185, that is minor resistance zone, and then it even tried to break out 4200 points. Today's high is 4203. It was not able to survive, and later during the day market came down and closed at 4167 points. So with this current market scenario, I would like to tell you, do not get trapped, because in the morning hours stocks are climbing up, we are seeing some pump, but later they are fizzling it out and closing red. So those who are buying right at the top, eventually at the end of the day they are in losses, they are blocking their capital. So do not do that. There are very limited stocks in the market that are performing well and there are good opportunities to buy them. And you should try and grab those opportunities rather than the stocks that are falling down. They are climbing a bit, you buy at the top and then it comes down to make a new low. This is a perfect bull scenario. You will block your capital, you will block your money, and when another stock is moving up, you will not be able to buy this one because your money is already trapped in a negative stock. So again, to repeat, do not try to be under any kind of FOMO, that is fear of missing out. Select your stocks very carefully and invest in them so that they can perform and then you can benefit out of it. Continuing with the index, we can see inverted hammer candles for the last 3 days. There are very good chances it can come down to revisit 4141, that is long time support. Previously we can see somewhere around in February we saw a nice pump to the upside, a correction phase, and then a new leg to the upside. So there are chances, if at all market comes down at this zone, we may see a pause. This can be very tricky. Either it can go sideways, take a pause and then start a fresh momentum to the upside, or it may take a breather here, pause here, and then it may come down to revisit 4080 points. So as of now, market is very sensitive, market is very fragile, and it can go down or it can go up as well. We have to be very careful in stock selection. As we all know, bearish chart pattern is already activated and the target is also hit. So I think by this zone we should see some positive reaction in the market. No sign of relief in Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange Index. Exactly the same scenario here. Check this out. For the last 2 days, these are the two red candles that it's printing for the last 2 days. Market is going up during the day. It's not able to sustain. Sellers are jumping in and market is coming down, trapping all the buyers right at the top, giving them losses. This is a very negative candle that it has printed today. Check this out. It opened and from here it tried to cross and break very minor resistance, that is around 9080 points. Bulls are not at all active in ADX. Even minor zone could not be broken today. This is an indication that still market is not ready with the buyers. It can come down to revisit this strong area of support that I have mentioned in my last video, that is around 8970 to 9000 points. But at the same time, as I keep mentioning, yes, there are some good opportunities in the ADX market which we have to grab it and hold it so that we can make money even in bearish market. Something very important, guys, when the market or index is going down, it's not necessary all stocks listed under that particular market will be going down. No, obviously there will be at least 3 to 4 stocks that would be climbing up slowly and steadily, that are very powerful, that are strong fundamentally and technically. This is the stock that will give you money even when the market is down. So to summarize, ADX market is also under pressure. Obviously it's more negative than DFM. So let's see how it performs during this week. We still have 2 days. If at all buyers get activated, then we should see closing about 9160 points. Still, that would not be bullish. It would be just first sign of relief that yes, buyers are now activated. As I just mentioned, when the market is going down, it's not necessary all the stocks listed in that market will go down. Check this out. This is the daily chart of Gulf Navigation right at the time of breakout after this candle. I had recommended this stock to my YouTube members and we are following the trend, and this is a beautiful move to the upside. Today it got resisted around 8.00. Even those who entered after this breakout above 6.95, still they have made good money. So Gulf Navigation is a very good example. If your stock selection is correct, you can still make money in the market, because as of now market index is down. People are selling their stocks, they are offloading. We are seeing Spinny's IPO effect as well, but Gulf Navigation is performing very well. If you ask me where is the next demand zone, there are chances it may come down to revisit 7.30. If this does not hold, then we have support at 7.10 and then 6.90. In other words, what I'm trying to say is there are chances it can come down for a correction, because for now it's a bit extended. We can see a strong momentum from 6.08 area. It have touched 8.00. We are seeing more than 30% move in just 10 days. So entering right at the top, this would be another mistake that retail investors make. They try to catch the trend right at the top when all the buying has already happened. And from here, when the correction starts, they see their portfolio in red, they are in losses. So please avoid this habit and think how professionals and big boys are thinking. They enter at the time of breakout when the trend is about to start, and they offload it at major resistance areas. This is when they trap the retail investors who are new to the market, who don't know how to read the charts or who don't know where the resistance is. And from here correction starts. So this was a good example. I hope you understood this one. If you did, then please hit the like button. This is the daily chart of Pure Health. I had recommended this stock in my members video as well as in my public video, and I'm still recommending this one. Reason is there are very good chances from here it can either go sideways and start a trend, or it can come down to revisit 3.80, that is support. With today's bullish candle, there are chances it may continue its upside momentum, revisit 4.05, possibly we see a breakout, and then it may continue the uptrend. Previously, it was trading within this tight range. Resistance was at 3.90, support at 3.80. It spent about 10 days here and then finally a breakout. This was our entry with this candle. If I extend this zone, check out. This is the breakout with this solid green candle. It came back for a retest. Buyers got activated and we are seeing a bounce from here. This is a good indication. And from here, if I extend the same zone, check this out, we can see a nice bounce coming in right exactly at 3.90. This clearly gives us an idea that buyers are present in this zone where we saw a breakout, and from here there are chances it may continue its upside momentum to start a fresh trend to the upside. So overall Pure Health is still positive and I'm bullish for this stock. Hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.